Okay, now we've reached the end of our halfway row, and it is time to turn our work and work back. On the next row of stitches, we're going to start with chain 1 and our front loop single crochet. Now we're going to decrease over the next 2 stitches. And then we are going to work continuing our back loop, front loop, single crochet across. All right, now we've reached the end of our first decrease row. We're going to turn our work. We ended with the back loop only, single crochet, and we are going to start our row, the chain 1, front loop, back loop across. We are on the armhole side right now. So we are going to back loop and front loop across until we get within the last 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then we will decrease these 2 and put 1 stitch in the last there. Okay, we have reached the last 3 stitches as we approach the middle, the V-neck section. So we are on a front loop only. Next we're going to decrease with our single crochet 2 together, and then we're going to put a back loop only stitch here, and then we're going to turn our work. This time we are on the inside, the V-neck section, so we're going to start on decreasing this in, but we always start with a regular stitch first, front loop, and then we're going to decrease again. Okay, we've reached the end of that row, and we're going to turn our work. And again, since we are on the armhole side here, we are going to start with our regular stitches across. When we get towards the V-neck side, the last 3, we will decrease third and second last stitches and put 1 stitch in the last. Remembering always to end with a back loop. Okay, we've made it to our last 3 again. So we're going to single crochet these together and put a back loop only stitch in the last. So we're just continuing that V-neck line. Turn our work. And again, we are on the V-neck side for this row. So we'll chain 1, front loop only. Oops. Then we're going to single crochet these 2 together. Okay, I have finished the decrease section of the V-neck, but I'm not finished with the V-neck yet. Now I'm going to continue working regular rows back and forth until I reach the final height or length of my front panel, which is equal to the back panel. So I'm going to go through row 76 just doing regular front loop and back loop single crochet across, and then I will be done with this side of the front panel, and I'll need to attach and work the other side in the same way.